Boom guys, pre-foreclosures board. As you guys can see, all the deals we've done today. Boom guys, pre-foreclosures board. As you guys can see, all the deals we've done today, but that's not what I want to talk to you about. I want to talk to you guys about action, what we call action. Most of you that reach out on IG, Snapchat, TikTok, all these channels, you always like, hey, I went on auction.com, I went on pre-foreclosures.com, or whatever site you use in your local county, and I did all my homework. I went on Zillow and I pulled up the pre-foreclosures, and you guys think that's action. So you tell me you've been taking action, and then when I ask you what you've done is you went on the websites and you pulled up the data. Pulling the data is not called action. Pulling the data is getting ready to take the action. So the calls we're making here and talking to the sellers, that's what we call action. So until you get on the phone and talk to a homeowner and get cussed out, get hung up on until a seller says, yes, I'm willing to talk to you, or you go on the door and you knock that door, that's what we call action. Until then, all you're doing is pulling the data and getting ready to potentially take action, which most of you don't. So when you take the action, remember, jvwithboomsquad.com, you can submit your leads. We'll help you close those deals. Boom, boom, boom.